If you want to boost the speed on POCO M8 5G, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can go to the security app. The security app, of course, has many different features, but the first thing that you can do is simply use this boost speed option. Over here, we can get rid of cache, we close third-party apps and that are still running somewhere in the background. We also have running system apps, and we can of course tap on these checks or circles on the right side in order to decide what should be, let's say, closed and what not. So once you're ready, just tap on boost speed and hopefully your phone will run a little bit faster after that. If you go back to the main page of security, we also have the optimize button in this place, and also we can use it in order to slightly speed up our phone. So make sure to do that from time to time as well. Now once you are done with that, another thing that you can do is you can go to the settings, and we're gonna scroll down to open additional settings, and then in additional settings we can find the memory extension, and of course we can increase up to 8 GB of the memory extension. Of course you will have to reboot your phone in order to actually apply these changes, and that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.